Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it wasn't that difficult to get out. So for a little quick review, there's a screw, there's a screw, there's a screw, there's a nut, there's a nut, there's a nut. You're gonna have to reach way in. You can see this is your exhaust manifold. It's further in towards like the middle of the head. So get that. I did not have to move this wire out of the way. This would completely have been in the way, that evap thing. I just kind of walked and wiggled it out. It wasn't real, it wasn't real bad. So on to the next thing. We're gonna take the box apart to get the core out. Here's the core in here. This is actually upside down. This is that hose we're disconnecting from the inside. Ugh. So there's the core. I don't know where it's damaged, but I'm gonna undo these screws and this thing should split right in half. So we'll catch you in the next video.